Hello all dear friends, welcome to the BinaryWins channel. I'm with you with another series of trading videos using candlestick psychology. Today we're going to make several trades using very simple tips that are very important for making profits. So if you are looking for dollar income, do not miss this video. Okay, we are on the USD COP currency pair in the OTC market. If you look, we have an uptrend, we are waiting for the candle to close to decide to enter the trade. I entered the higher trade due to the bearish momentum trend and the formation of new high, and trying to trade in the direction of the trend, I entered the higher trade. We are waiting for the position to be closed. Okay. I entered the lower trade. If you look, a downtrend is forming, okay? And we also have a gap, and this stands to the next level. And a strong bearish engulfing pattern formed on the trend line. That's why I entered the lower trade. I entered the lower trade with a margin of safety. First, I waited for the green candle to receive a rejection from the level, and then I entered the lower trade. Look, we have a gap and a distance to the level, and there is a possibility that the candles will fill this gap. On the other hand, we have two strong red candles. That's why I entered the lower trade. Okay, I entered the lower trade again. Look, we have a bearish momentum trend. On the other hand, the red candle has crossed our level. Okay, to cover the previous trade, I made another trade above the previous entry point. So because the candle broke the level, formed a new low, and the bearish momentum trend, I entered 2 lower trades, and there is a possibility that the downtrend will continue. You can see I entered the lower trade again because of the momentum trend, a strong candle that has no pressure or shadow from below, and the candles crossing the levels that exist in the price path. And on the other hand, receiving rejection and pressure from the round number level, I entered the lower trade. I entered the lower trade again, the bearish momentum trend. Strong red candles, and I entered the lower trade in continuation of the momentum trend. In fact, we were able to make several profitable trades by finding a good momentum trend. I entered the lower trade again, due to the formation of a continuation candle in continuation of a momentum trend. If you remember, I explained about reversal candles and continuation candles in one of the candle psychology sections earlier. Look at this candle. The buyers are here and we have the sellers here and here. Okay? Very good. Be careful that the correct use of momentum trends can help a lot in increasing your win rate and profits in the binary option market. Trading in the same direction as the momentum trend is one of the right methods and good techniques to make profit in binary option. You just need to find good and healthy trends and trade in the same direction with them. Trading in the same direction with both the major and minor trends will increase your win rate and reduce risk. So, if you liked the video, like it, subscribe to the channel and send the channel link to others to support me. To register for PocketOption, use the registration links below the video and receive a $50,000 demo account with a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. Dear friends, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video. Bye.